Good morning, guys. Good morning. I've been in ladies. And I'm actually doing this video just to, I don't know, one, to remind you that I'm still around, and two, to respond. Guys, last night's ritual has nothing to do with the guy. Yes, the guy uchitile uenzeni, but ngifuna ukwazi amantombazana amaningi once they get comfortable, let's say focus the volume or pause more CJ. When these girls get comfortable, they're busy with your husband or your boyfriend, long-term boyfriend or whatever, I don't care. They then start disrespecting you. Umuntu ukuthola endlini ukudisrespecta wena akuthola endlini. So my question is, if uze ngendoda yami, why ungaqeda into yakho nendoda yami? Why ufanele disrespecte mina, ufonele mina, ushiya ama-underwear wakho kwami? Do you understand? As if you want to alert me ukuthi ukhona. Do you understand? So a lot of people are saying, why doesn't she bewitch the husband? Fine, the husband, she can deal with the husband some other way if she wants to. Some people don't want to deal with the husband. They want to deal with the woman because the woman umhlugmezile, the woman umdelelile, the woman umfonelile, the woman umthugile, the woman wenza sure ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ukhona. Meaning ukuthi now ungithukile wenze ini. So what do you then do, guys? What do you do when in that case? Because mind you guys are saying no, but this woman was supposed to bewitch the husband, not the side chick. The side chick is the one that made herself known by leaving her underwear, by calling her, by swearing at her, by disrespecting her, by making sure the wife knows she exists and she's been cheating with the husband. She can deal with the husband at some point, at some other point, whatever, or however, because you give people options. And if manje usohlukumezile umuntu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi they resort to doing such, guys, I mean, come on now. Come on, let's be fair. That is why ngithi abanye abantu bayakusukela, and then when you retaliate, wrong wena for retaliating. Why do they come to you in the first place? Uzela ngoba busy nendoda yami. Why ungayicedeleli lento uyenza nendoda yami? Why ufanele uzisondeze kimi? Why must you make yourself known to me? Why must you disrespect me? Why must you call me? Why fanele ungithuke? Ngoba into ekulethela yile ndoda le. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I hear all your comments. I mean, I read all the comments, and I hear where you guys are coming from. But some people choose to deal with the man a different way, guys. Some people choose, they love the guy and they will deal with the guy at a later stage. And then some people, so, you know what, each to his own. Anyway, happy Sunday. I hope you're right. Look at my skin. It's so dry. Okay, love y'all. Cheers, bye.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uma Weni finally responds to backlash after episode yakhe ledlala lapha kuMoja Love yayitolo la bonakale khona asita sesithide ngokuthi aloye umuntu lojola nabani nendodzi yakhe kesana, so bekamtshela ukuthi gwaza la phansi wena mgwaze. So this girl was trying, actually was not even trying, bekamloya vele aloya iside chick yendodzi yakhe asitwa nguMaWinnie, obviously kuMaWinnie okokuthi bakhone kuwenda that black magic. So people were now dragging uMaWinnie ngokuthi hayibo why kuloywa the side chick and not the husband, why angaloyi husband wakhe ungena side chick, because side chick phela usonywe husband, so she's responding ukuthi oh nina mase chicken nitsanza activate nishiye timpahla teni nishiye amaphenti so that amfati atokhona kubona ukuthi wena ukhona, so kuthiwa batodila nawe wena lo wenda loko wena lothuka main chick just because sekufike wena lo shiya timpahla takho utivete knowing very well ukuthi ulikhwapha. So people are saying ukuthi nje wrong mawini uyaloya futhi nje uloya nemuntu wrong because wena ne-client yakho you were supposed to deal with the husband and not the side chick. Side chick owakakade somi, side chick usomi ngubani? Usomi nguy. Why manje kuloywa a girl? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.